In this video, I will show you exactly how to delete a website from your Netlify account in just a few simple steps. Managing your projects is essential for keeping your dashboard clean and organized, especially when you have old test sites or outdated deployments taking up space. To get started, you need to log in to your Netlify dashboard and look at your list of active sites. From this list, go ahead and click on the specific website project that you want to remove entirely. Once the project dashboard opens up, look over at the left-hand navigation sidebar. You should see an option labeled Project Configuration or sometimes Site Settings, depending on which version of the dashboard layout you are currently viewing. Click that link to proceed to the next screen. Once you are inside the Settings area, make sure that you are currently viewing the General Settings tab, which is usually selected by default. Now you will need to scroll all the way down to the very bottom of the page. You are looking for a section highlighted in red called the Danger Zone. Within this area, you will find a button that says Delete this project or Delete site. When you click this button, a confirmation prompt will appear asking you to type in the name of the site to verify that you truly want to remove it forever. This step is permanent and cannot be undone, so make sure you have backed up any important data before finishing. After you type the name and confirm, the site will be instantly removed from your account and the web. I hope this guide helped you clean up your workspace. Thanks for watching.